Can I file somebody else's taxes with my FreeTaxUSA account? Let's get started. You should not file someone else's taxes using your FreeTaxUSA account. Each taxpayer should have their own account to file their taxes accurately and securely. Filing taxes for someone else using your account could lead to complications and potential inaccuracies in their tax return. So what you can do is create your account. For that, what you have to do is open your preferred browser. Now type in freetaxusa.com and search for it. You will be directed to the official website of FreeTaxUSA. Now at the top right, you will see the option of sign in. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Scrolling down, you will see the option of create new account. You have to click on this option. Now filling this, you can create your account. First, you'll need to provide your email address and confirm it. Now type in username. Likewise, type in the phone number and then generate password for your FreeTaxUSA account. Confirm your password. Once you fill all these, you can click on the option of create account given at the very bottom. And with that, you have just registered for your FreeTaxUSA account. After you create the account, now you can head towards the filing process. Additionally, FreeTaxUSA may have measures in place to prevent unauthorized use of accounts for filing taxes on behalf of others. It's important to adhere to their terms of service and guidelines to ensure compliance and accuracy in tax filing. I hope now you guys are clear if you can file somebody else's taxes with your FreeTax account or not. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.